Numbers 1 and 2 ask you to solve each system by graphing. So what you're going to do is graph both lines on the same graph. Number 1 has a y-intercept of -3, so we'll start there with a dot at -3. It has a slope of 2/5, which means up to right 5. You want to continue that same slope pattern of up to right 5 until you run out of space, and then you want to go back to the intercept and do the opposite pattern, which is down to left 5. Once you have points that go all the way across the graph, you can draw the line through them. We want to be very careful about making sure we have as many dots as possible, because we have to be able to tell an exact solution by looking at a coordinate pair where the lines cross. The second line is -2x plus 9. So the y-intercept is all the way up here at +9, and a slope of -2x is like -2/1. So for every 2 down, we go right 1. And we're just going to continue this pattern until the lines cross, which is right here. Once you get to the point the lines cross, you can circle it and you can draw your second line. Remember that you need to complete your answer by telling me the coordinate of this point. It looks like it's over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the x coordinate is 5 and the y coordinate is -1 because it's down 1. This is your final answer, 5, -1. Number 2, the first line has a y-intercept of +5, so we'll put a dot at +5. It has a slope of 1/2, which means up 1, right 2. We're going to continue this pattern until we run out of space, and then we're going to go back to the intercept and continue it in the opposite direction as well. Once all the dots are on the graph, we can make a line through them and start plotting the second line. Y equals -x minus 1. The intercept is -1. Because the slope is -1, we go down 1, right 1. You can tell that by going down 1, right 1, if you were to continue this pattern, you would be going away from the other line, and we want to know where it crosses the other line, so it's probably a good idea to start doing the opposite direction immediately. That point is going to be our solution. We're going to draw a line and then identify the coordinates of that point. This point looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction. So -4, 3. This is your solution.